Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today we got this 2007 Lexus RX350. And for today I'm just gonna show you how to remove your cabin air filter. So this is your passenger side trunk. So remove this, and there is a on the side, see this black ground right there that hold this compartment trunk. So just twist this. Oh boy, it's super dark. So twist this thing like that. See that? You twist it counterclockwise. Then after you twist it, get something like this. Then there you go. You can remove same thing over here. So counterclockwise, like that. And remove it. There you go. It will fall. So that's your location of your cabin air filter. That white right there, white plastic. So just press, I guess this, yeah. Same thing on that side. Okay, there you go. So now you can pull it. Excuse me. Oh my god, look at that. It's super dirty. Wow. Look at that. Oh boy. This one haven't changed for a long period of time. But anyway. Alright, so I just bought new filter. So it's from CF10132. It's a brand new air filter. So basically, so just follow this. So actually over here, where was that? Where's the thing? It says here up. See that sign? So it should be like this. So when you remove it, so push like that. Turn it up. Get the new one. Right. So airflow. So over here it says airflow. So the airflow is going up. So do like this. Alright. Okay. There you go. Nice. Now let's put it on. So basically just insert it. And then it will. And that's it. Now same thing over here. So this one, this should be on the top like that, then twist it clockwise. Second one, there you go, clockwise, there you go, perfect, done. Alright, that's it. That's how you put a new cabin air filter for this 2007 Lexus RX350. So if you had any question in this video, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.